एवरीवन, आज हम डिवाइड करेंगे सर्किल को 12 इक्वल पार्ट्स में। तो फर्स्ट थिंग, हाउ टू डिवाइड द सर्किल इनटू 12 इक्वल पार्ट्स इफ वी हैव एनी डायमीटर ऑफ द सर्किल, लाइक वी हैव टू टेक द radius of the circle which is equals to 40 mm. Now right now first of all we have to draw the circle. Like this diameter is 80 mm and the radius of this circle is 40 mm. Right now first of all we have to divide the circle into 4 equal part. Firstly we have to draw the horizontal line to divide the circle into 2 equal parts. Right now this is our horizontal line and now we have to draw the horizontal line. This is the horizontal line and this is the vertical line. Now you have to see our circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Now we have to take the radius of the circle. This is the radius of the circle and all these points A, B, C and D. Right now this is the radius of the circle and we take the same radius and keep the compass in all 4 points and cut the arc from the point A to both sides of the circle. Like this is first arc, this is second arc. Again we have to take the point D. This is the first arc. Now this is the second arc. Now third one is the B point and we cut the circle. And again last the point C. Now this is the point C. Now finally we have to see the circle is divided into 8 equal part with the help of arc, and already we have to divide the circle into 4 equal parts. Now we have to join the arc with center of the circle. Now we have to join the all points like this. This is first one. Now again this is the second point. Again this is the third point. Again this is the fourth point. Now you have to see our circle is divided into 12 equal part. Now this is the center O, and why we divide the circle, I just named of all point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Why we divide the circle into 12 equal parts? Because of we have to see the different topics in engineering graphics, like conic section, projection of plane, projection of solid, section of solid and development surface. So basic problem is occur how to divide the circle into 12 equal part to convert into another form. Right now this is the basic informations to divide the circle into 12 equal part. Okay, thank you beta.